Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it. Scroll down in order to find the section with accounts. I prefer to do it using accounts in sync, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, I've got my previously added Google account. So let's start with this whole operation, this whole tutorial with showing you how to remove the Google account. So you have to tap on it, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, the account will immediately disappear. So right now we can add new one, so tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. As you can see, I've got it saved, so I will just tap on it, tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got the info. Tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And basically we have to go back, and as you can see right here we've got our Google account. So basically that's all. This is how to add or remove a Google account in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.